At the time of recording, Bitcoin has a market cap of $722 billion. What are you doing to accumulate more wealth right now? Welcome to Crypto Lamb's channel. My name is Andy. Let's get into it. So hello and welcome. My name is Andy, like I mentioned, and this is my YouTube channel, Crypto Lamb, as I'm known on Twitter as well. Not very well known on Twitter, admittedly, but that's my name on Twitter. So I wanted to take a look at today at some crypto news. I also wanted to give you some TA. The TA is not done by me, it's done by a member of my community over at the Profit Sniper community. And he's absolutely incredible at his TA, so he's willing to do TA for us for the video. I have a shorter condensed version of the TA for the video, but the full version is actually in our Discord group. If you want to know more about that, head over to profitsniper.co for more information on how you can join our Discord group. So I'll be giving you some TA, talking a little bit about some of the news, some of the things that are happening in crypto at the moment, and of course the current market cap of Bitcoin, which is $722 billion, as I mentioned in the intro there. And the current price of Bitcoin at the time of recording is $38,156, obviously down from 42,000 as it was earlier on. Ethereum pretty much staying as it is currently, $1,269. A little bit of a downside earlier on with that, but doing very well. So without further ado, let's get into some news. So starting with the news over here at tradingclubhouse.com, which is basically a website that compiles all of the biggest crypto news and all of the trending crypto news so that I can deliver that to you. I'm going to go through it relatively quickly. This is my first video for the channel, and I'm still trying to get to grips with everything. It's a very difficult process, but I'm sure once I get into the swing of things, it will be nice and easy. So help me out, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, etc. Hopefully we can grow this community even bigger. So the first bit of news we have, trending crypto news from 8 hours ago. And it's not very trending now, is it? Dash price explodes 100%. BCH breaks out as Bitcoin cools off below 40k. Still relevant. So the price of Bitcoin has dropped below 40 grand as several high cap coins return to the spotlight. BTC prices once again dropped below the 40k level on January 10th. After crisscrossing it for the past 3 days as the spotlight shifted to altcoins, namely Dash and Bitcoin BCH, Bitcoin Cash rather, sorry. The Bitcoin price drop comes after another failure to break through resistance at 41,500 in weekend trading. Very interesting read there. Head over to tradingclubhouse.com to find more information on that. We have another one as well. Investors still in aggressive buying mood despite Bitcoin's retraction. So Bitcoin's price reached another all-time high of $41,000 on Friday, giving it a market value of $700 billion. At the current time of recording, it's $722,235,403,617. That's huge. Just to give you an idea how huge that is, it has a larger market cap than the Russian ruble. So currently, Bitcoin is at number 14 for world's most valuable currencies by market cap. So Bitcoin is number 14, Russian ruble is 15, and the Swiss franc is at 13. So it's just tailing behind the Swiss franc. Absolutely incredible stuff. It makes me very happy to be a part of the crypto community at large, you know. So at the moment, the entire cryptocurrency market has surpassed $1 trillion for the first time. The latest rally was caused by institutional investors who want to hedge against the decline of the US dollar and fear inflation. They're also spurred by the fact that more stimulus will be pumped into the economy. Bitcoin has started consolidating around $40,000, but large institutional investors are adamant that they are still buying more Bitcoin, even when Bitcoin is moving below the resistance level. And I hope you're all doing the same thing. Accumulate accumulate, accumulate. Simple as. Accumulate more Bitcoin, accumulate more Ethereum, and just keep building up those stacks. And we'll all have moon Lambos in no time. That's an old meme, sorry. So, Bitcoin MVT data shows that there is more explosive move ahead for Bitcoin. Absolutely, I couldn't agree more. I was watching a CNBC interview earlier on, actually, in which I've forgotten the guy's name. I feel really bad. Hey there, it's Future Me here. I was just editing the video together and I thought I would show that CNBC clip that I'm kind of stuttering over here. So here it is. All
right, Chamath, we don't have that much time left. Let's talk rocket ships. First, Bitcoin. That falls into that category because that's what that is. 39,000. Where's it going?
I mean, can you play the clip in 2012 and 13 when it was at 200 and everybody was laughing at me on CNBC every time I would talk about Bitcoin?
And then I'll tell you what's going to happen next. And then obviously he went on to say that $150,000 to $200,000 is very real price action incoming for Bitcoin. Some people predicting as much as 400,000, some people even saying $1 million. I'm not 100% sure myself. I'm quite happy going with the flow and accumulating Bitcoin on the way up. So for me, it doesn't really matter if it goes up or down, like it doesn't for many of the people in my trading group over in Profit Sniper. We make money either way, so it's all good. If you want to find out more about that, by the way, head over to profitsniper.co, shilly shill. So, next thing we're going to do for this video as well is we're going to jump in and do some technical analysis. I mentioned earlier that the analysis is not done by myself, it's done by one of our members in our Profit Sniper group, Baz. So thank you very much, Baz, for doing this TA. You're an absolute gent and a scholar. So we have the Bitcoin US dollar 1 day chart on Bitstamp here. And let's see, looking at the monthly Bitcoin chart on Bitstamp, it's clear that the price has now reached the middle of the 6-year trend channel. A rejection at this level is perfectly reasonable considering the parabolic move we have seen in the last 3 months. If there is no massive rejection at this level, a run up to the top of the trend channel takes Bitcoin to an eye-watering $175,000 per Bitcoin. Just kind of wrap your noodle around that for a second. That's just insane numbers. I just realized I'm showing the wrong picture. I should have been showing that one. What a noob. You know what? I could start again and edit that out, but I won't. Just sheer stubbornness. I'm going to leave it in. So this is picture number 1. This is fig 1. So everything I just said there applies to this picture here. So you can see the channel that we're in, the 6-year trend channel from 2012 up to now, basically, which is absolutely incredible to look at. It really is incredible to look at, and just think of all the opportunities you missed to buy Bitcoin really cheap. It's depressing. No, it's actually beautiful to see, and it's absolutely amazing to see where we're going to go. And realistically, when you actually see it in motion like this, you know, $150,000 to even $350,000 doesn't actually look that far away. Realistically, it doesn't. It's well within reach, that's for sure. So moving over to picture number 2, which is the first one that I had up like a complete noob. The price has indeed rejected at 42k, middle of our 6-year trend channel. Fibonacci retracement levels highlight the 618 golden ratio at around 22k and an equilibrium level of 0.5 at the $26,000 area. Equilibrium would be 50% retracement from the lows of September to the highs. And we move on to picture 3, and we see a closer look at the 4-hour chart with a volume profile and different fib retracement anchors from the end of December range. Shows a bullish market structure intact despite various pullback. The HVN's high volume nodes here with the rectangle boxes to illustrate fair value areas on the run up. These will act as areas of support if Bitcoin decides to retrace into lower areas. Sorry for butchering that text there. In context, Bitcoin is looking very bullish, and I expect this compression ranging between 37,000 and 42,000 to resolve upwards, targeting $50,000 as the next level of significant resistance. Psychologically, 50k will be a big barrier, and I expect a strong rejection at this level. Failure to resolve upwards of this compression leaves us with a lower volume area between 37,000 and 35,000 as an imbalance between VAs, and 35,000 and 30,000 as the next fair value area, a very decent range to trade. I would be reluctant to short Bitcoin even if the VAL fails, only considering shorts and intraday timeframes and scalps with small position size at a stage of a bull run. I'm looking to long pullbacks and holding spot. Bears have been getting wrecked all the way from 12k and are yet to go into hibernation. Don't be a bear. The trend is your friend, and here's actual footage of bears shorting Bitcoin right now. We'll get rid of that before my channel gets deleted. With the CME opening in a couple of hours, but no meme gaps nearby to worry about, I will leave it there for now. I'll keep these levels updated and more in our Discord group. Trade safe, don't get wrecked by over leveraging, fading pumps, or getting lured into shorts. See you on the other side. Thank you very much for that, Baz. Excellently written. And if you want the full technical analysis and all of the pictures that go along with it and all of the levels and charts and everything that you need to go with that there, you would need to join our Discord group. And in order for you to do that, you would have to head over to profitsniper.co and sign up there, and we will see you in the Discord group. So thank you very much for watching. It's been an absolute pleasure. I'll be back with another video hopefully on Wednesday, where we'll also be updating today's technical analysis as well. And just before I go, obviously I've mentioned my group Profit Sniper quite a few times throughout the video. I asked some of the group if they would be willing to drop me a little bit of a video so that I could showcase them with each video that I upload to YouTube. And here's the first one from Fuzzy, absolute legend. Thank you very much for passing me on this video. Here's Fuzzy.
Hi, my name is Fuzzy. I'm using Profit Sniper to enhance my financial circumstances. I trade a total of 3 to 4 hours daily, but at different times of the day. I don't spend the whole day in front of the computer. Currently, after just over 3 months, I've increased my wealth by approximately £700 net. I've done this because of the support and the education that I've had from Andy and DW at Profit Sniper. This here is my setup. All of this I have purchased from the profits from Profit Sniper. Now you do not need all of this. All you need is a laptop, a smartphone or a PC to trade as you wish. You have to be dedicated. You have to be willing to learn. This is not a get-rich scheme. You will increase your wealth if you put in the time and effort. I suggest you get hold of Andy at Profit Sniper. You saw the website up. It's profitsniper.com. You need to be disciplined to do it. That's about it. I'm working and I'm making money.